Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create patterns in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So up here, I have the Sweet Shop logo here, and I just want to fill this space here. So what I need to do is go to my Appearance panel. If you can't see it here, go to Window, Appearance, which is ticked. If I just untick it, it'll just disappear. But if I go back, Appearance, click, there's the Appearance panel, and if I go here on the lines here, click Add New Fill. That's what I want. So if I click here, so right now this is the fill, but I want to click here where the swatches are, go to Open Swatch, go to Patterns, Decorative, Nature, Animal Skins. Let's go to Animal Skins. So if I click on here, this is the one I've just created, but we can create another one. If I click here, cheetah, elephant, giraffe, there's so many to choose from, but we want to create our own one now. So if you want to create your own one, it's very easy. Let's use these ones here. One, hold down Alt. One more time. I'm holding down Alt. So let's have these as different colors. Right click, group, and now I go to my swatches panel, which is right here. Click and drag it in, and these are the ones up here. You'll see different patterns here. So these are the recent ones that I've used. So this is the new one right here we just created, called New Swatch Pattern 2. So if I click on this and then click on to the one that we created, this is what it looks like. And that's your pattern. Sweet Shop design. Okay, let's get rid of that. There you have it. So that's how you do patterns in Adobe Illustrator. That's it for now, and see you in the next video. Take care.